wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best vehicle ramps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Made of high-impact plastic, the Black Widow PSR 295 can stand up to just about any abuse you throw at them and can support 16,000 pounds to boot. If you're the type who likes to gun it right up the ramps, these are a smart choice for you. You can fill the internal cavities with foam if you want, and rubber feet prevent them from slipping, but they emit a foul odor. At number 8, you get a gentle, gradual lift with the Race Ramps RRXT2, as they're 67 inches long and situated at a 10-degree angle. Each pair can hold 3,000 pounds, yet they're very lightweight and easy to move, thanks to the fact that they're made of dense polyurethane-coated foam. It's easy to drive up on them slowly, and they work even on gravel. However, they are extremely expensive. Coming in at number 7 on our list. If you own or regularly use a trailer, you know they blow a lot of tires. The Trailer 821 Tandem is a safe, sturdy and easy way to quickly change a flat, as it elevates the damaged tire using an intact one as the support point. It's easy enough to use by yourself too. There's no need to unload the trailer to use it, and it sports a highly visible yellow color, but note that it's not for leaf spring tandem axles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vehicle ramps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the grid design of the Scepter 08226 offers multiple advantages, including the way in which it allows water and dirt to fall through. It doesn't detract from its strength either, since it's combined with a core parabolic arch that distributes weight evenly. Their serrated surface offers lots of grip, and these are safe for all weather use. However, they don't provide much clearance. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Race Ramps RRRU Roll-Up are among the most dependable on the market. They won't slip or slide around while you're trying to drive up on them, even if you're working on a slick surface. They're a smart choice for anyone who usually works alone. These are small enough to carry in your trunk and won't mark floors, but they can get damaged if left in the sun. At number 4, the Nicky Nice Solid Steel are reasonably priced and punched with extruded traction holes across their slopes, giving your car's tires some extra grip. They're an attractive alternative to the typical black plastic models that you see in most garages. They sport a durable powder-coated finish and are good for small pickups. They're also helpful for lawn tractor maintenance. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Unlike a traditional vehicle ramp, a Camco 44573 tri-leveler is only designed to raise a vehicle a few inches off the ground. That's because its primary purpose is to stabilize a trailer or RV while parked on uneven ground, not to provide undercarriage access. It comes with a convenient built-in handle and a very low price. It's simple to use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vehicle ramps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the rhinogear 11909 rhinoramps allow for the safe support of a vehicle weighing up to 12,000 pounds, which means almost any truck in your fleet can safely roll right up on these guys. Plus, they'll accommodate tires up to 9 inches wide, and come in a larger size too. They're good value for the price, and the non-skid base helps reduce slippage. They nest together for easy storage. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Race Ramps RR56 are a must-have for anyone with a low-slung, high-performance or vintage vehicle. Their long, gentle grade allows them to be used safely even with a car that sits very close to the ground, and they can be easily taken with you wherever you go. They feature a solid core construction and won't damage floors. They come with transport straps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for vehicle ramps, or simply click beneath this video.